Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter. First, locate your vehicle's glove box, typically on the passenger side. Ensure it is completely empty to prevent items from falling out. You will also need a new cabin air filter, which can be purchased from an auto parts store. This simple maintenance improves air quality inside your car. Next, open the glove box and locate the small dampener arm on the right side. Carefully detach this arm. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the rectangular cabin air filter housing behind it. Now, you will see the cabin air filter housing cover. There are usually two small clips on either side. Unclip these to open the cover. Carefully slide the old, dirty filter straight out. Take a moment to note the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter, as this is crucial for installing the new one correctly. With the airflow arrow pointing downwards, slide the new cabin air filter into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly. Close the housing cover and re-engage the two clips. Finally, push the glove box back into its original position, reattaching the dampener arm on the right side. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.